The Tecno Camon 40 comes with a powerful assistant, an upgraded cameras with a brand new navigation bar, and enough power that will make your ex so jealous. This phone is another level, especially the cameras. It does incredible things, and in this video, I will share with you all of the tips and tricks that will make your Camon 40 experience so interesting. So before that, I hope you guys have seen my unboxing and initial impressions of this smartphone. Okay, I'm going to include the link in this video description. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So I'm going to start things off with the battery. This one comes with a 5000 milliamp battery that's able to take you through the whole day. But do you know that you can actually get more than just a whole day? All you have to do first is to enable the dark theme or the dark mode feature. So simply swipe down or head over to the settings and enable the dark mode or the dark theme. Now this is for more battery life, so you can do more. Still on the settings, scroll to the high brightness mode and toggle it off. For this option, you can toggle it back on if you're outside and you can't see the screen clearly. So the next option will have to change the refresh rate option. Now this one supports up to 120 Hz, but for it to have enough and good battery life, we'll have to set it up to standard, which is 60 Hz. So these are the first tips that will help the battery life and make it last even longer. Now if you have this smartphone, one of the standout features is the display. You get to experience how fluid and fast it responds to touches. Even when I drop the refresh rate to 60 Hz, it is still very smooth. It is an AMOLED display and you know it's going to come with good colors. But do you know that you can tweak some things here and make it even more interesting? First, you need to change your color style. So from the display settings, change it to bright colored. Now this will enhance the colors and it doesn't affect your battery in any way. After that, head over to the wallpapers and personalization. In here, you have amazing options to choose from, like the always on display option. So if you click on it and toggle it on, you're going to see different customizations to choose and set it up. Or you can simply create your own from scratch. For someone like me, I don't like having my home screen cluttered with apps, so I can easily move them or auto-arrange them. But here's the fun part. Do you know that you can easily make your own wallpaper and have it stand out using AI? Yes, AI. Let me show you how. So from the same window, click on wallpapers and select AI wallpapers. Now the first option means you can choose your picture and pick your desired scene to make it look different. And it is one of my favorite customizations on this phone. Or I can decide to create something different by simply giving a prompt and then choose the style and hit the generate button. And voila, you have it. And I can easily create up to 15 different wallpapers in a day. See, if you're watching this video up until now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because it's about to get even more interesting. So let's talk about AI. Yes, Tecno AI. This phone is not just a camera-centric smartphone. The AI here is also incredible. So just like Samsung has the Bixby button, Tecno also has a button like that here that does even more. So if you press it twice, you activate the flash snap. Now this helps you capture moving objects clearly. And this feature is very handy, especially if you want to capture some wonderful actions or activities. And if you press the button for long, you will wake up Ella, an assistant that will help you do a lot of things. But do you know that Tecno included a pro tip that I find very, very useful, and that is the call assistant. So each time a call comes into my phone or I make a call, all I have to do is tap on the call assistant, and after my call, it summarizes the call and translates it. So I don't get to miss any information, especially if it was a very, very important call. I can recall all of the details without losing anything. And then another pro tip is I can easily draw my idea. I can easily draw or sketch my idea, and the Tecno AI will help convert whatever it is that I sketch to reality with just one tap. Honestly, this is so smart. And also, I don't need to install a third-party app to be able to transcribe my recordings into text. The Tecno AI here does it in a matter of seconds, and it also helps to summarize it as well. You also have the circle to search feature. So all I have to do is press and hold the home button and circle whatever it is I see on the home screen and search. and automatically I get the results. Or you go to a particular website and you see a lot of information. Simply press and hold the one tap button to wake up Ella and then select summarize content on this page, and it will do that and even read it out loud.
The 2025 Lexus S
There's a lot that this Tecno AI can do, and you can easily switch apps and launch another without losing your previous work by simply swiping your three fingers, and the magic happens. So to set this up, go to the settings, special function, and select the floating windows. Toggle it on and you're good. So before I show you the magic in the camera, let me give you some tricks about gaming on this smartphone. For you to have a smooth gaming experience here, always launch your game from the game space window. Now this will give you a high boost in your gaming experience and also stabilize your battery. So over time, your battery doesn't drain out. But if you want the best out of this phone's camera, come close. Now, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, because if you don't, some of the tricks here may not work on your present camera phone. So let me show you. When you open the camera up on this smartphone, you will notice this new icon where you can easily zoom into your image by simply sliding to the right up to 10x zoom. So instead of pinching the display of your screen with two fingers, and if you slide to the left, you switch to wide angle. Now here's the best part and also the fun part. After you take your picture, select the AI Studio and then click on AI Eraser. Next is to draw and circle the part you want removed and then start to erase. Now the most important part of all of this is to have enough light. Good light condition is what makes your videos and your photos stand out very well. But if you follow the tips and the tricks that I've shown you in this video, you're sure to have a very good and interesting experience of the Tecno Camon 40. So I highly recommend you to go out and buy this smartphone. Now let's trade. I've given you all of the tips here. All I want you to do is please hit on that subscribe button and help me reach 30,000 subscribers this month. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next one.